Hey, what's up? It's D'Amico here with Slay Edge Media, and I'm here sitting right next to my car, and I was looking at my wheels. I was like, man, that doesn't even look like the color that's on top of the can. Like, the color that's in the can does not come out looking like that. So the paint I use to paint those rims is called, the brand is Duplicolor, and Duplicolor has a lot of different colors available for you to paint your rims. They use an acrylic enamel paint, and if you look online, there might be some bad reviews, and I think those bad reviews are just from people who don't know how to paint, because I've used less than actual high performance paint on my front emblem on the color it used to be, because it used to be like a silver color, but now it's bronze. I still got it. Look at this stuff. Keep it just for reference. And I just want to testify to them that they are good, and I'm gonna tell you how I get it from the regular bronze color, which is a lot more brighter, to this dark, subtle, sexy, dark bronze color. But even that front emblem, I did that a little more bright and poppy because I wanted it to stand out. Going to the rims. The rims themselves are dark. They're like a dark, sinister, dark bronze color, and that's the sexy color that's real trendy. So this is what you got to do. I'm just talking about how you create the color itself. So of course, after you've already got everything prepped, cleaned, everything taped off, it might surprise you, but all you got to do is go over this with black first. Black the rims out first, then hit it with the bronze. Make sure you get everything with the rim extra super black, blackety black, Batman black on these rims. All right, but don't stop there, because I know it's gonna look dope with the black, but the next step is to go over it with the bronze. If you've seen in my painting videos, I talk about tips. When you paint, don't be all up on it. Give yourself a good like foot and a half, maybe 2 feet of spraying distance from the rim itself, so you don't get any drips and drops all over. You want this thing to look like it's powder coated. So you look at my rims and any other thing I've painted, I use the same painting technique on it. Same paint, same technique I use on those rims is the same painting technique I use on this front. It got hella watermarks from the hose. So if you're wondering what that white stuff is, that's watermarks from the hose. Same spraying technique I use on this front is the same technique I use on these rims. So it gives it a clean look, and there's no dripping, none of that. People ask me what was the purpose of doing that little cutout right there in the middle. It's like a carbon fiber wrap material. They're like, why you do that? I just did it just because I wanted to, because I can. That's why I did it. Why you do it like that? I let creativity flow. Slay Edge Media. Go and do yourself a favor and subscribe. I keep it brutally honest, and I just tell the truth about how you do things. What they won't tell you is it's not as hard as it seems, you know? Just like with anything, you gotta practice, so, all right? Oh yeah, and hit that like button. I appreciate it. Peace.